What's up everybody, RetroSetJoe here. Today we're going to do a tutorial on how to take a digital save file off your PS3 and move it to a PS1 or PS2 memory card. Some things you're going to need are these two programs, the PSV Exporter and Mem Card Rex, which will both have links in the video description. You will also need a PS3 with a save file that you want on your memory card and a PS2 with FreeMic boot, which you can get on a memory card from Amazon if you don't know how to make one yourself. Also will be a link in the description. You'll also need a USB thumb drive to pull the save off the PS3 and put it into the PS2. All right, here I'm just showing you the memory card that I'm going to be putting the save file on. These are the 3 saves that are already on it. This one I already took from my PS3, the Legend of Dragoon save. We're gonna go nab my Final Fantasy VII save off of my PlayStation 3. So the first step is to take the thumb drive and put it into the PS3, like so. And then you can turn on your console. All right, here we are on the PS3. We're gonna go locate the save file that we wanna move over. We will go to Memory Card Utility, Internal Memory Card. There it is. So we're just gonna take any one of these Final Fantasy VII saves, copy them onto the USB device. Any USB thumb drive should work. So now that that's done, we turn off the PS3. Maybe. And once the light's done blinking red, remove the USB drive. Now you're gonna take that USB drive, stick it into your computer. Let's open it up and take a look at what's on it. So you're gonna go to PS3, Export, PSV, and you're gonna look for this is the save file I just put on there, 6:30 today. And that's the file we're going to put onto the PS1 memory card. Or delete this, because this is all from when I did the Legend of Dragoon, when I was figuring out how to do this. So this is the save file we're working on. It has a game identifier and a bunch of other stuff. So the first thing we want to do is open up this PSV exporter. You want to load a PSV file. You want to go to this PSV file, like that. Put it in. And you're going to extract the PS1 save. And you're going to have that, yep, as a PS1 single save. Save it right into the same folder if you want, wherever you want it. So now we've got this file. Now the next thing we want to do is open up this Mem Card Rex. There we go. We're going to import save like this. And then we're going to export as a raw single save. As you'll see, this is 8 kilobytes, which is the standard size of a PS1 save. So there we go. That's what we have. This is what we're going to go put on the PS2. Let's fire that up. Take the USB thumb drive. Stick it into the USB slot of the PS2. And turn on your PS2. All right, here we are on the PS2. We're gonna go to ULaunch ELF. I'm using the wrong controller, 1 second, there we go. Gonna go to ULaunch ELF. Gonna open up File Browser with Circle. We're gonna go down to Mass Storage, which is this. We're gonna hit Circle again. We're gonna go down to PS3, Export, PSV, this file here, and now you're gonna wanna hit R1 to copy it. You're gonna go back, 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 and then depending on what slot your PS1 memory card is, in this case, MC0, which is the first slot, we're gonna hit this, and then we're going to paste. It's that simple. All right, let me reset the PlayStation, put Final Fantasy VII in, and I'll show you what it looks like. Final Fantasy VII, we're putting that in. Gonna reset the PlayStation. And here we are. Loading. Should go ahead and load the game. Not entirely sure which disc this save was on. But we'll know in a second. All right, so here we are. Final Fantasy VII's all booted up. Hit that, hit this, and boom, there's that save file. Oh, it is on disc 2. Well, you know it works now. The reason you might want to do this is, let's say you have the game on PS3 and then you get a physical copy on your PS1 game, and you want to play it through like a scaler, like the RetroTink 5X, which looks better than the PS3 scaling. That's why I did it. So there you go. There's a little step-by-step guide on how to transfer a PS3 file to a PS1 or PS2. The steps should work the same for a PS2 memory card. I haven't tried it myself yet, but I'm assuming it works. Yeah. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoy my content, please subscribe, hit the like button, and maybe tap that little notification bell. Check out my social media links in the video description. And until next time, bye-bye.